Open that door. Open that door.
Just locked it, Chris. Come on, you're killing me.
Hell yeah. There we go. And I met you, like you said, probably like 10 years ago.
10 years ago, yeah.
At Flanders.
Flanders,
right? The All Air Cruise
Jersey.
Gathering. Yep, in Central Jersey. And I was just starting out, right? And I remember seeing your right-hand drive, and I was like, what? You know, never in the United States, you know. And this is from England?
This is from England, yes.
Yep.
Yeah, so 61. My parents bought it in 68, year I was born.
Cool.
And it's been the family car, and I took it over in the mid-80s and restored it, and that's pretty much what you see now.
Nice.
Just been maintenance since then.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Very
it still
cool.
runs, that's the main thing.
That's the main thing. It's awesome. So this is like one of the midway stops that we do on the fall cruise. We're here at Cortland Manor, and it's at a Dunkin' Donuts at a gas station. So we kind of take a pee break, get a coffee, get a bagel, get a donut, whatever you want, and then we head back up over the Bear Mountain Bridge and then up into Bear Mountain. Hopefully Bear Mountain's open today. There's a great sightseeing spot up there at Perkins Memorial Drive. So check it out. We got a great gathering today. Beautiful weather, beautiful colors, and can't ask for a better day here. Classic BuGs Fall Foliage Cruise 2021. All right, let's go. Rick, the man, comes in from California every year to be a part of this cruise, man.
Every year.
Rick, tell everyone what you got at home.
I have a 53 bug, 53 original, oval window.
Nice.
Nice.
And slow, 25 horse, yeah.
25, yeah.
But man, they keep going up in value, brother.
I hope so. I hope so. Yeah. One day you'll restore it.
Yeah, definitely.
He restored this burgundy one.
Wow, ready.
Yeah. like what my horn sounds like.
What a cool view here.
This is awesome.
Oh, hit the car.